Did you know someone lost $1,000 because they turned off their phone for one day? She entered every giveaway, every single one. Won gift cards, headphones, small prizes. She had the best luck. Tuesday morning, she turned off notifications, just for work. Just one day, 2 p.m., the $1,000 giveaway went live. Her best friend saw it, tagged her 47 times in the comments. Other friends messaged her directly. Everyone knew she always won these things. She always entered immediately. This time, she never saw it. Wednesday morning, she checked her phone, saw all the tags, all the messages, rushed to enter. Too late. Winner already picked. The winner? Someone with 12 followers. Never entered a giveaway before in their life. One day, one notification setting, $1,000 gone. She was the person who always won, until the day she wasn't watching. You're watching now.